Hello guys, and this is another tutorial, and in this tutorial I will show you how to make alert dialog like this. So stay excited, and I'm going to do it right now. So we are back in our script and our project, and now I will create the alert dialog. So create an alert dialog is basic, and create an alert dialog dot builder and builder, and it's equals to new alert dialog dot builder and then the context. Okay, so we want to paste here in context, and context is basically the activity. So main activity we should paste like this, control C and control V right here, and dot this because this activity is active now. And then the builder, we can set the title now. So set title like this, so name title. Then we can set an message what will pop up, so set message, and here is an alert dialog message, and close this. Then builder dot, we can set also an icon, so set icon like this. And now it's an integer value, so we can basically get this get one of these drawables. So I will get this launcher background, so r dot drawable dot ic launcher background like this. And now the next thing we should have in our alert dialog are buttons. There are three types of buttons. The first is builder dot positive. So builder dot set positive button. We can name it basically as pose dot, and it's a new dialog interface dot on click listener. But I should do it like an comma like here, a new dialog interface on click listener. Perfect. We should make whatever code we want to make. So I will show you some useful thing, and it's set text. So right here in the edit text we will set some text. So I will set there, so edit is the name of our edit text we create in the last videos. So edit dot set text, no get text but set text, and positive button. Perfect, it's super cool. So next we want to create a negative button, and the difference between positive, negative and neutral button are only in where the buttons are. So the positive button is on the right side of the layout, the negative is in the middle side, and the neutral is on the left side. So negative button like this, and I will rename it to a neg, and I will set the edit text as negative button. Perfect. And the last is the neutral. So neutral. Perfect. And I will name it as neutral, so neutral like this. And now in neutral button we won't make some text because the neutral button will basically close the window. And how to do it is really simple. Also, it's basic. You can basically delete these lines of code like this and basically type null. Perfect. And when someone click the neutral button, it will null the dialog. So super cool. And the last is builder dot set cancelable, like this. It's default true, and it is set so when you click somewhere else on the screen, no on the dialog, the other dialog, but somewhere else, it will close the other dialog. But when you don't want it, you basically type false, like this, and won't it won't close. But I don't want it, so I make it true, like this. And the last, what we should do is to create the alert dialog. So we can basically create the alert dialog as an alert dialog, and it's equals to builder dot create and the alert dialog dot show. But we these two lines of code we can stretch to one line of code, and it's basic. So builder dot create, like this, and dot show. Super easy, but I should have it in two lines of codes, so like this. And now when you hit the play button, you can see in my emulator everything is really working. So I will make some text like hello. Perfect. There is a hello, and I click the hello world, like this. Hello is also, and when I click the neutral, the it will basically close the dialog. The next, when I click the negative, it will basically rename it to a negative button, because we set text to negative button. And now when we click and we click the positive button right here, it will rename it to a positive button. So everything's working, and I hope you like this video and you enjoy it as me. I hope you learned something new, and this is everything from me. So stay excited for another tutorials. I will explain the include layout. So stay excited, and bye bye.